ஜெய் ஸ்ரீமன் நாராயண. ஆண்டாள் திவ்ய திருவடிகளே சரணம். In the holy month of Dhanurmasam, today 25th day, Goda Devi explaining beautiful Saramsham, Antaryami Tattvam. The God is the supreme being, Antaryami. This pasuram conveys the concept of the God is the supreme being, known as Antaryami, meaning the all-pervading essence. It refers to the principle that exists everywhere. Kalascha Narayanaha, Dishascha Narayanaha, Adhascha Narayanaha, Udvascha Narayanaha, Antarbhahischa Narayanaha. At all the times and fills the entire world with the interwoven reality of all the things. The term Antaryami, Purnamidam, Purnamadaha, Purnat Purnamudachyate, describes the supreme nature that pervades all the kingdoms and periods. The God is the all-pervading and the inner essence of everything, as told by Prahalada to us. Indu galadendu ledani sandehamu valadu, చక్రి సర్వోపగతుండు ఎందెందు చూసినా అందందే కలడు. హే కృష్ణ పరంధామ, you were born to a mother at midnight. Her name was Devaki. You were born to Devaki but did not grow there. Again you came to Goddess Yashoda. You grow up with Goddess Yashoda like the Shukla Paksha Chandra. According to the Kala Panchangam, in every month, first 15 days, the moon gets bigger day by day. Each day, and by the 15th day, the full moon happen. Sampurna Chandrodayam. Full moon rise, and accordingly you grow up and became full like the moon rises. There you are a sun, and here too you are like the sun. கருத்தை பிடைப்பித்த கஞ்சன் வைத்தில் நெருப்பென்ன நின்ற நெடுமாலே. Kamsa, the demon, tried to kill you, but you overturned his attempts and defeated him in the end. You created fire within his womb, thereby ending him. You are the Lord who holds such a glorious history. After undergoing several struggles and efforts, finally we have come to seek your presence. Now we need a helping hand from you. We are requesting to get Parai. Purushartha means the fulfillment of this life's purpose. Please grant us what is necessary to achieve this goal. ஆண்டாள் திவ்ய திருவடிகளே சரணம்.